In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Google Ads search campaigns. So you've decided to step up your advertising game and optimize your Google Ads search campaigns. Let's dive in and guide you through this process, making it as straightforward and effective as possible. First off, you'll want to head over to the Google Ads homepage. A quick search in your web browser should get you there in no time. Once you're on the site, you'll be met with the familiar Google Ads interface, a treasure trove of advertising potential awaiting your exploration. Now it's time to sign in. Simply locate the sign in button, which should be clearly visible on the homepage, and click it to access your account. Once inside your Google Ads account, you'll find yourself on the main overview page. This dashboard is essentially your command center, providing insights and options for managing your campaigns. From here, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This will bring up a list of all your active and previous campaigns, giving you the opportunity to dive deeper into each one. Now we're going to zoom in on three crucial elements: audiences, keywords, and content. Clicking on these will help you tailor your search campaign more precisely to reach the right people. As you manage audiences, consider who your ideal customers are and ensure your settings reflect this intent. When it comes to keywords, think of the search terms your potential customers might use. Make sure you're targeting relevant keywords that match their needs. Speaking of keywords, there's an important concept you should master: negative keywords. Click on keywords and you'll find an option for negative keywords. This is a powerful tool, as negative keywords help you refine where your ads appear, effectively preventing them from being shown in irrelevant searches. For instance, if you sell high-end men's shoes, you might use cheap as a negative keyword, ensuring that your ads don't pop up for bargain hunters who aren't your target market. Once you've accessed the negative keywords section, go ahead and click on Add Negative Keywords. You want to be proactive with this list, so think critically about the terms that could lead to clicks that don't convert into sales. Add those to your negative keyword list to save money and improve the quality of your traffic. In summary, leveraging these strategies effectively can greatly improve your campaign's performance. By signing into your account, navigating through each step, and meticulously managing your audiences and keywords, you can confidently manage and optimize your Google Ads search campaigns. Thanks for watching, and may your advertising adventures be as rewarding as they are effective.